My name's Jason Yates, and I'm from Lehi, Utah, and I've been working here for about 1 year now. I've been in sales for about 12 years, and some of the products I've sold in the past, I wasn't fully convinced that they were helping my customers, my clients, and I love working here because I feel like each and every person that I deal with, I get to help them save money, and I feel it's a benefit to them, and so it makes me feel good about what I do every day. Military families, most of the people I speak with, they're humble families, good people, work hard. They're similar to the family I come from, so it's easy for me to relate to, makes it easy to work with people that have common beliefs. Some of the challenges I've seen with VA loans is, just having to educate the borrower on, how the loan process works and, some of the costs involved. There's a lot of misconceptions out there, a lot of other companies that, present things in a different way than we do. We try to be pretty straightforward, and, before I became a loan officer, I didn't understand all these numbers, and I didn't understand, any of that stuff. And so, just being able to be patient and walk them through the whole process and make sure they understand what it is actually they're doing and make sure it's something they're comfortable with, I think that's probably one of the biggest challenges. I have 4 kids of my own and a 5th one on the way. So I've got a great wife. She's from Burley, Idaho, and we've been married for going on 12 years. So enjoy family life, coach my son's baseball team, and we do a lot of outdoor activities together, hunting, fishing, camping, and all kinds of sports. Seems like every night after work we got a practice or something to go to, so we keep real busy with family, and that's really important to me. I'm big into outdoor stuff. I like to go hunting. I like to bow hunt, and last year I hunted in 9 different states, so I travel a lot. I've got a really understanding wife who lets me, pursue my passions. So I love sports. I'm active in lots of city leagues and basketball, and I like baseball and football, and so very active. Like to fly fish. Just took my kids fly fishing last night, and love the outdoors, and so we spend a lot of time in the mountains. Went on a hunting trip with my wife and talked her into going to the Prince of Wales Island in Alaska, and so she was a little hesitant about going. Lots of bears and wolves and stuff on the island, and so we flew into Ketchikan last year and got a float plane and flew out onto the island and landed on a little lake, and just spent 5 days with just the 2 of us in the middle of nowhere hunting Sitka black-tailed deer, and kind of crazy experience. Lots of people thought my wife was nuts for going with me, but she's real supportive. She's a trooper, and so we spent 5 days in the middle of nowhere out there on the island. It was pretty cool. So.